What's coming up next for Bitcoin here? Let's take a quick look at the two counts again. This is the super bullish count, which is practically a triple 1-2, which is kind of rare. You'd much rather see a double 1-2, but if this is what we get, it's what we're gonna get. So basically here, coming up, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that may be in, or it may need one more move higher. But at that point, you'd be looking for this retracement, say if it ends there, anywhere probably from as high as 55.6k to as low as 45k, depending how this 2 wants to play out, either as an expanded flat, a zigzag, or some type of form, which we don't know yet, but those are the targets that you would be looking for. You will be looking for another pullback of some sort. In this count, you see this one too, we had an expanded flat that was really shallow. So let's get rid of this. This is potentially the primary, which I'm 50-50 on right now. I'm preferring this count. Let's zoom in and show you really quick what it's looking like. It's a much different count from the base here. We have a 1, but a running flat as a 2, which also this wave 2 finishes on the 3 times length fib time, which is about as long as you want to go for a wave 2. But in this scenario, we would have our third impulse finishing here, and also this expanded flat as a 4, which would kind of make sense based on how shallow this retracement was, which is also what you want to see for a wave 4 rather than a 2. This expanded flat, and you can see the respect here on the 236, deviation below the 236, and then continue in the 5th impulse. And let's zoom in here. We have our 1, 2, 3, and 4 for sure completed. We're looking for this final 5th. So let's toggle on this 5th potential that I have here. We're looking for this 1, 2, 3 potentially here, or potentially here. I have it here just because of the ranging movement we're getting here. I'm considering this a 4th still. Now this is just an idea I have here. It's playing out as a potential triangle, as an A, B, C, D, and we're looking for this 3rd E down before it starts its a final little impulse to the top. Should be another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially taking us up to the 1618 5th wave extension. Maybe a little lower, maybe a little higher to sweep the all-time highs. We'll see how that wave 5 plays out, if it does and when it does. And then from there, we would be looking for a different type of retracement. So this would be classified as the larger 1, 2. That would complete a 1. And then we would be looking for a deeper retracement. But either way, a retracement is coming. Let's say it finishes at 70k just for the sake of it. toggle on the common wave 2 retracements. And you would be looking at somewhere between 48K to 42K, as low as 35K. And that would most likely, if it was to come down in these deeper areas, it would definitely occur as a zigzag. And we'd be looking for that before propelling into the giant third wave. And then again, I'll go over it once more. The alternate scenario would be topping out here shortly and having a much more shallow pullback before propelling in the third. So let's see what happens here, guys. Just a quick update on this top. I think that's coming up very soon before we see a retracement.